Welcome everybody. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to make somebody smile more in Photoshop. How to take a photo of somebody that's not smiling that much and just crank the smile and do some other body makeup design. So that's what we're going to be learning in this video. So welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. If you find this tutorial useful, please hit the like button. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to bring in your model. I'm using this lady again, Alec from Unsplash. Thank you so much. So all we need to do is to import a model or any model that you have, and just go to feature, go to Liquify tool, and the panel is going to open. This is not going to open in your usual Photoshop interface. Okay, the Liquify tool is like a tool on its own. It's like another program inside Photoshop. So it has opened up now, so we're just going to come here where we say all the Liquify tools. So we have this face Liquify. Okay, this is where we're going to be. Okay, the face Liquify. We have other Liquify too, but this is the one we are coming for. Okay, so all you need to do, we have the eye, you have the nose, you have the mouth. Okay, these are the things that you can do to the face of this lady. So what we did in the initial intro of the video was the smile, which is the mouth. Now you can see this smile slider here. So if you take this now, look at her face and slide it up, you can see that her smile is going up. I don't know why. They say smile is contagious. I'm just smiling just by seeing how I smile more. So you can actually just take the slider and just crank it up. And so with all this now, you can just play with all this mouth, the lips, and as you are dragging the sliders, be looking at what you're doing so that you don't overdo. Okay, you can see that the upper lips here are just gonna kind of increasing. Let me zoom all the way in and just drag it. Okay, this might make the video lose some quality, but I think we can sacrifice a little bit of that so that we can see what we're doing. So we have the mouth height. Okay, Liquify tool is a very powerful tool in Photoshop, and you can stress your meshing out. Okay, I'm finding it difficult to drag the sliders here. You can see the way the mouth are opening. Let's say her mouth is still open, you can close it. And the nose height and width, you can also do the same. Okay, yes, let's just play around. Okay, this is more of playing and knowing what you want to do. If it's just smile, you can just go crank up the smile and that's it. Okay, you can also play with the eye size. They say big eyes makes people look nice. Well, okay, you can just increase the eyes like this and just model. Okay, this is what photographers do when they just make a model just have a different look. Maybe in the studio you didn't get the best smile that you can get. You can come here and just do some changes and you're good to go. So we have this now done, and we can click OK. And that's it. So we have our model. So we have this filter now here, we say smart filter. We have the Liquify tool, so we can actually turn it off and on and see the changes that we've done. I think the eyes are too big, but you get the point. Okay, the smile is what I really like. So that's how you use the Liquify tool to actually model the face of somebody, okay, on the Photoshop. So that brings us to the end of the video. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And today is day 18 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.